In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the header text on your website. So we'll just go into Edit Site here. Into the Page Builder, we're always going to start off on the home page. Now if you want to edit the address or the phone numbers, you just click right on it. You can change the first line here. Maybe add a third line if you want. Once you're done, just hit Apply Changes. Same thing for the phone numbers. Maybe you want to change this first number to sales, second one to service. You can add a third phone number. Click the trash can to delete one. Maybe we just want to keep the one number and just hit Apply Changes. Whatever changes you make to the header will apply across your entire website. Just hit Save when you're done. And publish to make your changes live. That's all for this tutorial.